YouTube Shorts are exploding faster than your phone battery at 2% with no charger in sight. And if you've been scrolling for hours thinking, I could totally do this if I knew what to post, then friend, you're in the right place. Because today, I'm giving you 15 YouTube Shorts niches that are trending in 2025. And no, possible. I'm not talking about dancing in your kitchen to royalty-free music or reviewing every flavor of instant ramen. Unless you're RLY passionate about that. These niches are blowing up right now, and I'm breaking down why they work and how you can jump in without needing a production studio or a trust fund. Let's dive in. AI tips and tools for everyday people. 2024 was AI's breakout year, but 2025 is when everyone wants in. Teachers, small business owners, even your aunt who still uses Yahoo Mail. YouTube Shorts about AI tools to boost productivity, ChatGPT hacks for students, or AI websites that feel illegal to know are going viral. The best part? You don't have to be a tech wizard. Just test tools, show what they do in under 60 seconds, and explain how they help. LOV bite-sized efficiency. Bonus: use ChatGPT to script your video. Meta. 2. Fast, real, life money tips. Forget stock market lectures. And 2. Our finance podcasts. People want quick, snappy, and real money advice. 3. Side hustles. You can start with zero. How I saved $5K without realizing it. Why I stopped using credit cards like this. Keep it raw. Keep it personal. Use Canva to throw on big bold text. And boom, you're someone's favorite finance creator. It's like being Dave Ramsey, but with vibes. 3. Behind the scenes of small businesses. Ever seen someone package slime or candles in ASMR style with calming music? That's not just satisfying, it's bankable content. In 2025, people are obsessed with watching how things are made. If you run a small biz or know someone who does, start documenting the process. Packing orders, making products, organizing your workspace. Yes, even organizing is content now. Bonus if you narrate with your chaotic thoughts like, I forgot to label this, and now I'm spiraling. 4. Silent tutorials. This is a strange trend, but it's thriving. No talking, just showing. These creators use calming music and subtitles only. Think how to build an aesthetic Notion dashboard, how to pose for Instagram pictures alone, or how to fold a fitted sheet. Finally, these shorts feel like little meditative breaks from the chaos. No voiceovers, no camera drama, just peace and millions of views. 5. Mini documentaries. Micro storytelling. If you're into storytelling, short form docs are crushing it. Think 30-60-second stories like The Man Who Lives with Wolves or Became a Millionaire at 42. Use AI or Google to research odd stories. Write a mini narrative with ChatGPT and overlay it with dramatic music and footage from free stock libraries. You become a mini Netflix. Seriously. 6. Commentary on viral moments. 2025 is the year of what just happened. Commentary. People love seeing a clip go viral and then someone reacting to it with quick insights, memes, or even outrage. Just take a TikTok moment, a celeb fail, or a random tweet and give your 10-second take. Make it funny, make it smart, or make it spicy. Don't forget captions in bold for max retention. Think of yourself as the voice of the timeline. 7. Unusual skills you can learn fast. This niche is blowing up because people love feeling smarter in under a minute. Teach cool things like how to memorize anything using this trick, how to do the moonwalk, or one sentence that makes you sound smarter in interviews. Viewers will save, share, and follow because who doesn't want to feel like a walking life hack? 8. Luxury on a budget. People are obsessed with lifestyle, but even more so with fake it till you make it luxury. Make shorts like Amazon finds that look expensive, dupes that feel designer, or how I did a 5-star trip for 100 a day. Receipts. Show aesthetics. Use aesthetic B-roll. Basically, sell the dream, but show them how it's possible without needing to sell a kidney. 9. BookTok meets YouTube Shorts. You know how TikTok has BookTok? Well, shorts are now BookTube's fast little cousin. If you love reading, post 3 books that made me smarter, books that changed how I see life, or even dramatic reenactments of plot twists. Add music, animated text, and short reaction clips. Oh, and use trending sounds. You'll have fellow bookworms flooding your comments. 10. Reaction shorts with a twist. Reaction content still works, but in 2025, it's more about reactions with purpose. Instead of just gasping at a weird TikTok, creators are adding commentary, rating things, or giving life advice disguised as humor. Reacting to Gen Z dating rules, or this is why I have trust issues. Watch this. You become relatable, funny. Win, win, win. win. 11. Health and fitness hacks for lazy people. Don't roll your eyes. This niche is thriving. But instead of gym bro vibes, it's more how I lost 5 lbs walking in my living room, or 5 meals that made me stop eating junk. Normalize struggle. Use humor. Be relatable. People are tired of 6-pack influencers. They want real, helpful info from someone who understands that pizza still exists. 12. That feels like magic. We're in the era of tech that genuinely looks like sorcery. AI pen scanners, foldable phones, apps that write your emails while you nap. Make shorts like, "This gadget made me 10x more productive," or "You won't believe this website exists." Use a split screen to show what it is, how it works, and why it's awesome. People will watch over and over and probably steal your link. 13. Funny skits about everyday life. Yes, comedy still rules. In 2025, it's relatable short-form chaos that's winning. Stuff like, when your Wi-Fi dies during a Zoom call, that one friend who never replies on time, or trying to eat healthy during Eids. Fail. Make it quick, snappy, add captions that scream. You don't need a fancy set, just your phone and your personality. 14. Mini learning, bite-sized education. Want to become the fun teacher people actually listen to? Make shorts like, "Here's why your brain tricks you into overthinking," or "The reason Mondays suck scientifically." Chat GPT to script these like you're explaining to a friend. Keep it simple, add visuals, and boom, you've made education feel cool. You might not get a diploma, but you'll get followers. 15. Time capsule shorts, then vs now nostalgia is gold. Make shorts comparing 2005 phones vs 2025 phones, or what school was like before smartphones. Use voiceovers, vintage footage, or side-by-side edits. People will share, laugh, and say, "I remember this," in the comments. Nostalgia, us humored algorithm's favorite child. The secret sauce isn't the niche, it's YOU. You could pick any one of these niches, and if you show up consistently, with personality, and even a pinch of chaos, you'll grow. What matters most is making it your own. Add humor, add spice, add value. YouTube Shorts aren't slowing down in 2025. They're just getting started. Whether you're educating, entertaining, or exposing fake gurus, there's room for you. Start today. Pick a niche, film a video, and post. The algorithm can't promote what doesn't exist. Drop a comment if you want a follow-up video where I break down how to grow your shorts channel from 0 to 100K without losing your mind or filming at 2 a.m. Smash that subscribe button. And hey, save this video so you don't forget where the gold was. See you in the next short. Now go create something.